Emergent AI versus Claude 3.5. Which one is better? Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to compare Emergent AI versus Claude 3.5 and help you decide which AI tool is actually better. Let's get started. So, beginning with Emergent AI. Emergent AI is designed more like an AI automation and workflow assistant rather than just a chatbot. Its main focus is helping users complete real tasks, things like automation, multi-step workflows, research assistance, and AI agent-style execution. Instead of only answering questions, Emergent AI tries to act like a digital worker that performs actions step by step. This makes it useful for creators, freelancers, and people who want AI to handle repetitive online tasks. It can manage multi-step processes instead of single prompts, good for productivity and task execution, designed for hands-off usage once workflows are set, helpful for business operations and workflow automation. Reasoning depth may vary depending on tasks, not as strong in long-form analysis compared to top research models, smaller ecosystem compared to major AI platforms. Now let's come towards Claude 3.5. Claude 3.5 Sonnet, developed by Anthropic, is one of the most advanced conversational AI models focused on reasoning, writing quality, and deep understanding. It is widely known for strong logical thinking, coding ability, and handling extremely long documents. Claude can process over 200,000 tokens of context, meaning it can analyze hundreds of pages at once without losing track of information. It also introduced the Artifacts feature, which allows users to edit documents or code in real time beside the chat window, turning it into a productivity workspace. Handles large documents and research analysis easily, high safety standards and strong resistance to jailbreak attacks, natural, human-like conversations and writing quality. Some multimodal tasks still show performance drops compared to newer AI systems, may feel slower when executing repetitive operational tasks. Now let's compare them directly. For automation and AI agents, Emergent AI takes the lead because it is built for workflow execution rather than conversation. For reasoning and intelligence, Claude 3.5 clearly wins with stronger benchmark performance and analytical ability. For coding and long documents, Claude 3.5 performs better thanks to its massive context window and advanced workspace tools. For productivity automation, Emergent AI feels more practical for everyday task automation. For writing, research, and explanations, Claude 3.5 delivers more accurate and human-like results. So, which one should you choose? If you want an AI that acts like an assistant and automates workflows, Emergent AI is the better option. If you want deep thinking, coding help, research analysis, and high-quality writing, Claude 3.5 is the stronger choice in 2026. Choosing between Emergent AI and Claude 3.5 in 2026 depends on your specific needs. That's all for the video.